girls bracket. Gotta get weights 155 to 165 to the staging area. Girls bracket 155 to 165 staging area. All right, it's about lunchtime, so if anyone's hungry for some tacos, if you head out to the parking lot and look to the right, you'll see a blue tent with Cholo's Taco Trucks. If you want some tacos from a food truck, head on out, make an order, enjoy some tacos and some burritos, come back in and watch some wrestling. Cholo's Tacos are ready to serve you out in the parking lot, blue tent.